Hi, my name is Carly Gelsinger, and I'm the author of Once You Go In, a Memoir of Radical Faith, which is released in October. And I'm here at the conference teaching a class on how to write a bullshit-free memoir that readers will love, and a workshop called Even Hemingway Had an Editor, and that's on the importance of editing and how and why we need to hire editors. And on two panels, one pro editing tips and two the new fan-based novel approach. Writers' conferences are an incredible way to meet other writers, not to mention engage with professionals, editors, and agents who can give you relevant and in-person information on the publishing world. But I would say they're most important for the relationships you can build with other authors. I have been to a lot of writers' conferences, and I have to say that the Central Coast Writers' Conference is the most affordable one I have seen on the West Coast. And the range of experts that are at this conference is incredible for the price.
Can you tell me who or what your scribe tribe is?
Writing can sometimes be done in solitude, but I think to write well, we can't always just do it alone. We need people, we need a tribe, we need to put ourselves in relationships with other writers, and that's why it's important to find your scribe tribe. It doesn't have to be people that live near you, it can be on the internet, but whatever it is, writers' conferences are an excellent way to find that group of people who will give you feedback and help you with the writing process and tell you if something is shitty or tell you if something is wonderful when you write. And that relationship is really important.